Chalo, sir. So again, very good afternoon to all of you guys. And I hope I'm audible, visible, everything. I hope I'm completely audible as well as visible. So just a quick yes or no, please. Completely audible as well as chalo. Chalo. So again, very good afternoon to all of you guys. I hope you guys can see me, hear me clearly. Chalo, sir. Let us start with our session. Vivek, thank you so much for confirming. Yogesh, thank you so much for confirming. Thank you. Chalo. So again, as I just said in the morning session, sir, the advanced maths or the theory classes will actually start with the angles and triangles, mostly triangles, because let me say this upfront only. We are starting with geometry. So one thing that is 100% certain, geometry say you will get a handful of questions. Definitely ये रहेगा. And if you guys are you guys were preparing for like 7-8 years back, so in that situation I would have said angles, say you would have gotten some questions from lines and angles, the very basic part of geometry. But in CGL nowadays last few years, we don't really get questions based on only angles. So what they do, they merge these things. So they put angle, the concept of angle in a triangle question, or maybe a circle question, or maybe a quadrilateral question. So they will merge these things. Okay, so that's something that you need to be like you need to be aware about that. Okay. So that is something that happens in CGL on a regular basis. So, chalo sir, let's start. Again, triangles will have at least like 3 sessions at least we'll be having. So again, so we'll start today. We'll go through some basic things. This is not exactly a practice session, right? So and again, afterwards we'll have practice session for triangles as well. Reena, very good afternoon. I haven't seen you in the morning session. You were sick. तबीयत सही है ना? Everybody, this is something I'm very scared about because I'm also having some issue with my health. So in during your preparation, your health should be absolutely top notch, because otherwise if you are not okay physically, then you cannot concentrate on your studies. Yeah, I understood. So this is the same thing, this bukhar type of thing, right? That is happening to everyone actually. Now, sir, first things first, a little bit of like about a triangle, angles of triangles. We all know this, but again, just a quick revision kind of thing, so everybody just gets a hold of this. Sir, if there is a triangle like this, let's say this is A, this is B, this is C. So sum of all three angles are always what, sir? If this vertex is A, we call this angle A. If this vertex is B, we call this B, and this is C, sir. Also remember, if you can, sir, opposite to angle A, this side, length of this side is called small a, sir. And opposite to B, sir, this is called small b. And opposite to C, sir, this is called small c. So if you see small a, small b, small c, that means they are like kind of mentioning what the sides, whereas capital A, capital B, capital C, that those are for angles. Perfect. Take it. No worries, no worries. Okay. Now, first things first, angle A plus B plus C, that sum is always 180 degree. This is something we all know, and you, like if you don't, this is a must. This is absolutely the fundamental stuff. Another thing about the angles of a triangle that you need to at least keep in mind, sir, in a triangle, if you extend one side, अरे भाई आजा, like this, okay? So this angle is called, sir, the external angle. This angle is called external angle, right? And if this is, say, let's say ABC, so this external angle will always be equal to the sum of opposite two internal angles. So if this is angle A and this is B, so this external angle, if I say this is X, that will always be what, sir? Angle A plus angle B. So these are the very few basic things I wanted to kind of get rid of in the beginning. So these two things you must remember. These are absolutely the fundamentals. Now, one small little thing over here. I have taken a total 13 sessions on fundamental geometry. Okay. In of like this is absolutely free. This is on YouTube. Last week only I have completed this. So angles and triangles, lines, angles, triangles, circle, these four topics I have taken in very detail. So if you want to refer to that, if you know, if you, I don't know whether everyone here is following that or not, so that series is over. So you can, if you want, so the class notes along with the videos are there on YouTube. You can definitely check those out. Perfect. Now, let's move on to a few questions based on the basic properties. CGL 21 asked you a very simple question. You see, this is very simple. He said the angles of the three angles of a triangle is given. They are asking the value of x. Sir, the first things first, whenever you see this, the first thing that should strike you, sir, all three, the sum of all three angles of any triangle should be equal to, sir, 180 degree. So this is the degree I'm not writing. ठीक है, ये degree लिखने का कोई मतलब नहीं बनता. अच्छा, the last one is 4x minus 10. This is equal to 180 because sum of three angles must be 180. So from there, sir, 6 and 4 to like you see 8, 6 and 4, so 18 will be this. Average is 6, or you can say sir, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 8, 18, anything goes. Minus 15, this 25, 25, 10, 35, which is 36. It is 180, sir. So from there 18x. Achha, like one, like can you guys think like this, sir? 18 se ye divisible. Can you guys see? 18 sir, everything is divisible, so I've divided this. So x becomes 12. Or also you can say, sir, if this 36 will go that side, it will become 216. So 18 into 12 is 216. So x will be 12. Anything goes. So they are asking the value of x. The value of x is to be option number 112. So Rixi, Reena, both of your answers are absolutely correct. It was as simple as a question can get in a CGL, right? Moving on, sir. Moving on, sir. Sir, just think about this question a second. Just read this question. I'm sweating so much. Chalo, sir, chalo, sir, chalo, sir, everyone. So, ratio between a base angle and a vertical angle of an isosceles triangle is given. You see, very simple stuff. Very simple stuff. So, they are saying the base angle, if it is 2x, the vertical angle, this is 5x. Right? Can I say this? Why? Because this ratio is given as 2:5. Perfect. Now, base angles are equal. Definitely, sir, because isosceles triangle means this side is equal to this side. So, if this angle is 2x, this angle is 2x. So, from here we get another property actually. This is another property. If someone is beginner here, just let me say this. So, remember there is something called in geometry, or rather mix of geometry and trigonometry, called sine rules. Sine rule is saying A by sine A, it is equal to B by sine B, it is equal to C by sine C. These ABC are smaller, so these are sides, and angle ABC, these are in the denominators. So if you do this, meaning like we have used this nomenclature, remember, A is angle capital A, small a is the opposite side. So from here, please understand, we can derive one simple logic, sir. If I just take these two, for example, just for understanding, sir, can I say A by B is equal to sine A by sine B? So I've just done this. Correct? This is the result. Now, sir, if these two A and B, these two sides are equal, for example, so that means these two are, say, let's say K. These two are equal. If so, even if you don't want to write this, this is 1. Equal means it will cancel each other. So 1 is equal to sine A by sine B, which gives you sine A is equal to sine B, which gives you A equal to B. Meaning the conclusion, if the sides are equal, the opposite angles are also equal. Similarly, actually you can prove this vice versa as well. If the angles are equal, then opposite sides are also equal. One more thing, one more like understanding that you can draw from here. Ki sir, if A is greater than B, say one side of a triangle is greater than the other side, sir, opposite angle jo hai na sir, that will also be greater than the opposite angle of the smaller side. So that means everything actually comes from this particular relation. Sir, whichever angle like side is greater, opposite angle is also greater. Also, this you can draw this in vice versa, meaning if the angle is greater, opposite side is also greater. So this goes actually both ways. Both ways it goes. Perfect, sir. Perfect. Chalo. Let's do this question जो हम कर रहे थे. So two sides are equal, angles are equal. Sir, from here one simple like thing. Sir, sum of all three angles, that is 5x, 2x, 2x, 9x is equal to 180. X is sir 20. They're asking the vertical angle is how much, sir? That is 5x. X is 20 means this will be 520s are 100 degrees, sir. Option number 3. Option number 300 is the correct answer. So again, Rixie, Reena, all of you guys are correct. But again, I need more correct answers. I need a few more answers. देखो ज्योमेट्री आते ही सब लोग अरे सर ये थोड़ा छोड़ दो. Why in the world are you starting with geometry? ये हमको नहीं आता. But again, let me say this: geometry से you will get a handful of questions. 2-3 questions तो 2 तो रहेगा ही. So absolutely you cannot leave it. You cannot leave it. Do not take that negative approach. ठीक है, करना ही है ऐसा. That should be your mindset. Mindset should be करना ही है. Sir, CHSL 2019 का question है this one. ABC is a triangle. चलो बढ़िया. Sir, from here one side has been extended like this. Okay. Now BC side is extended to D. So I'm just writing this is A, B, C. BC has been extended to D. Now ABC is 2CAB. ABC meaning this angle is 2CAB means this angle. So if this is X, this is 2X. Badhiya. Now ACD is this. ACD means this angle is 126. ये बहुत ही simple है. CAB, that means they are asking the value of X. They are asking the angle CAB meaning the value of X. Sir, external angle, we have just seen, it is equal to the sum of opposite to internal angles. So 2x plus x, that is 3x. So x will be what's a 3 says 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are this. And x was nothing but the angle CAB. So your answer will be again option 3, that is 42. Again option 42. Yes, visual, like the whole geometry is about visual. एक बार, you see always, if once you start setting your eye, you'll see with practice and a proper understanding, you will see suddenly the questions starts to look very familiar. Once that happens, then your geometry is sorted. You will never get stuck in geometry. एक आधा question इधर उधर, that can happen anytime to anybody. But again, most of the questions you will be able to see, like able to solve. Sir, CGL 2022. This question I had done in the YouTube class as well. CGL 2022, sir. Very simple question they had asked. They're asking the value of the sum of x plus y plus z. You see, there are two ways to solve this. You can take the smaller triangle ABC and figure out x plus z equal to something. Then from there you can move on. But the better way, take the whole big triangle together, ABD. Take the whole ABD triangle together, sir. Sir, here the external angle is 120, sir. That will be equal to the opposite internal angles. Sir, one internal angle is this, another is this. Sir, that internal angle is equal to x plus y plus this internal angle is z. So देखो एक लाइन में सर आंसर आ गया. This was a one-liner question asked in CGL 22, sir. That was asked in CGL 2022. Very, 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 very similar. Very simple question. Clear this, everyone? Anyone here having, sir, I'm not understanding, I need a little bit of explanation? Ask, ask, ask. Feel free to ask. The same goes for our YouTube audience as well. ठीक है? Just ask, everybody. I am asking you कि भाई कुछ भी अटक जाता है, just ask, feel free to ask. ठीक है? चलो सर, चलो चलो चलो. moving on सर. चलो. अच्छा. Sir, before we go here, I want to discuss a small little theory. क्या theory है sir? कहाँ गया कहाँ गया? Let's say there is something like this, and this angle, the vertical angle, is getting bisected by this line, sir. ABC is the triangle, and let's say this is D. And AD is what, sir? AD is the internal angle bisector, meaning this angle is equal to this angle. So AD is your internal angle bisector. Perfect. This is your internal angle bisector. So in that case, what you can see, please understand, this is bisector. Towards the left of the bisector you go. Towards the left of the bisector you go, you will say, sir, this whatever is towards the left, that ratio, meaning sir, AB divided by this particular side, these two are only sides, that will always be equal to, take to the right of the internal bisector, that is AC divided by CD. And this is what we call the internal bisector theorem. Internal angle bisector theorem. Acha, many people choose to remember this like this as well. So if you are one of them, it's absolutely okay. No need to change because I'm saying so. Many people do what, sir? From here, na, just do this. AB by AC becomes BD by CD, sir. It means what? They think like this, sir. This side by this side will be this side by this side. ऐसे भी याद रख सकते हो. I personally remember it like towards the left is equal to towards the right. ऐसे I remember. But I'm not saying कि you also, you must remember it like this as well. So if you have already remembered it like this, that works. That absolutely works without a shadow of a doubt. ठीक है? That absolutely works. No need to change like 60 days before the exam. Perfect, sir. Perfect. Perfect, I hope. I hope this is clear. Dixie is saying ratio of lines emitting from A by emitting, it's okay, works. Anyway, you see, the better you have understanding of a particular situation, a particular theorem, what happens in your mind, you tend to make some adjustments there. Automatically कुछ ना कुछ way निकल जाता है. जैसे for example, like let me just give you one example so that like it will be clear what I am trying to say. During my +2 ना 11-12 का जो क्लास था, so I was very good in organic chemistry. Actually मेरे को बहुत पसंद था actually subject, ठीक है. But so I was very like pretty good because I used to practice, I used to read some extra materials and stuff. But inorganic chemistry was kind of like बहुत गंदा था. Like I couldn't remember. That was one of my problems. I've never been able to remember certain things. Now, what used to happen? So, like, but again, you need to score marks. You cannot just say, "अरे नहीं होता, नहीं आ रहा है तो नहीं आ रहा है." That's not the attitude. So, I kind of developed like for myself only. So, how I used to remember, you see, there were equations. जो equations लिखना होता था कि ammonia chlorine के साथ क्या करेगा, those type of questions you also used to get. So the balancing part I couldn't remember. So I devised कि I will remember it like phone numbers. Say for example 9831 or other like 2346. Meaning that's the balance. So if you write it down, so before ammonia you put 2346 ऐसा करके. So this is something I had devised. क्योंकि भाई याद तो रखना है. You need marks. You cannot just say कि भाई हो नहीं रहा. So the thing is that like once you build up a proper understanding, automatically you will devise something. I don't need to tell you guys कि भाई ऐसे याद रखो, ये वो आप खुद कर लो. ठीक है, चलो. Sir, let's move on to this question. And this question have been asked. You might say this is an older question from 18. This same question, just changing A, B, C, D. We like either with some values or some with some X, Y, Z, वगैरह. They have asked this exact type at least 5 times. At least 5 times they have asked. So कैसे करेंगे सर? कैसे करेंगे सर? Let's see. Sir, A, B, C, वही सर एक ही like similar type of a diagram we'll have. Let's draw this, sir. ठीक है? Now this is A, B, C and AD bisects angle A. AD bisects angle A, meaning these two angles are equal. Now BC at D, BC is A, sir. This whole thing is A. AC is B. AC, that means this part is B. AB is C. Okay, sir. Then what is the value of BD? BD means they're asking this. Now, two ways I'll show you. One is the proper way, another is a little bit of a shorter way to understand. I don't know this, I'm taking this X. I'm taking, ki bhai dekho, this is X. Now, if this is X, then how much will be this? Because total is A, so this can I say it will be A minus X. Khatam, sir. Now just write down the internal angle bisector theorem, sir. Towards the left, that is C divided by X is equal to towards the right, that is B divided by, sir, this is A minus X. Sir, from there you will get the value of X. कैसे sir? Cross multiply ना. So AC minus CX is equal to BX. Sir, take this X to this side. So AC becomes BX plus CX. So B plus C, and I've taken X common. So X becomes AC divided by B plus C. So that is your answer. B plus C AC is option 1. But again, I'll show you one easier way to remember. Yes, Reena, you are absolutely correct. You are absolutely correct. Very, very good. Very, very good. But sir, इसी को थोड़ा याद रखने के लिए I'll say there is another technique that you can use. अच्छा, I'm giving you guys 30 seconds. Figure out the technique now from this diagram and from this result. थोड़ा try करो ना sir. Because if you can figure it out by yourself, like you will never forget. But again, if I say, like within a month you will forget. बताओ, खुद खुद like ढूंढ के बताओ कि sir, what is this or how can we devise something like this? How can we devise a shortcut of our own कि ऐसा आएगा तो ये लिखेंगे? Tell me, sir. Tell me. Tell me, sir. Tell me, sir. क्या कर सकते हैं sir? I got an answer, I think. Product from where you took X. Product से हमने X लिया, ठीक है? Then but again opposite वाला condition आएगा sir. थोड़ा सोचो कि sir, if something like this is given, sir, the thing is that A is what? A is the total length, that is constant, sir. Into, sir, opposite always. divided by, you see these, the sum of these two, this one and this one. Meaning, if I ask you, tell me this value, no sir, if this is x, then tell me the value of BD. You will say, sir, what? Total is A, writing it here, A, total is A into, sir, the cross, that is B, divided by both of them, B plus C. So this is something that you can figure it out by yourself. Now again, if you are someone who is like, no, no, sir, I don't want to remember all these things. आएगा तो ये दो लाइन कर लेंगे. I will suggest this is the best way. दिमाग, already you have so many things in GK GS that you need to remember. मैथ्स में भी कुछ ना कुछ मैं बताऊंगा कि ये थोड़ा याद कर लो. But these are not the time. I am not a big believer कि you should remember all this. Like दो लाइन करने में बहुत ज़्यादा time नहीं लगता. Now, but again, the choice is up to you. If you want to do this, please feel free. No, nobody is stopping you from that. Not like, at least not me. Now, please solve this question, sir, everyone. So same type of question. Now, please give me the solution and answer to this option, like this 1 minute time. Everybody, please solve this as soon as possible. Try to do it like under 1 minute. Answers, answers, answers. I need answers from everyone. जल्दी से बताओ, जल्दी से बताओ sir. I got one answer. Pavan is saying 4. Pavan, let's see, brother. Let's see, brother. Chalo, बढ़िया, very good. Now, in ABC, D is a point on BC such that AD is the bisector. वही से same type, same will be the diagram. कर लो कुछ ऐसा. So A, B, and C, this is D, sir. So this is an internal angle bisector. These two angles are same. Now, given that AB is 11.7, बढ़िया. AC is 7.8, वो भी बढ़िया. BC, the whole thing is 13, sir. वो भी बढ़िया. Now they are asking DC this length, sir. They are asking this length. Now again, depends on two things, whether you want to do it like using shortcut or not. If you, so let's say if I don't want to use shortcut, ये है sir x, and this will then be sir 13 minus x. Why sir? Because the total is 13. Because the total is 13. So use the internal angle bisector theorem. It is saying, sir, left towards left is 11.7 divided by 13 minus x should be equal to 7.8, right? Divided by, sir, x. Sir, एक काम करो, ये हटा दो, sir. 13 9s are this, 13 6 are this. 3 2 3 3s. So 3x is equal to 13 2s are 26 minus 2x. So the value of x is 26 by 5, that is 5.2, sir. So option number 3, 5.2 is the correct answer. Yes, Rixi गड़बड़ हो गया. Yogesh, your answer is correct, brother. Pavan, you made a little error, I guess. You made a small little error, I guess. Now, somebody who is like, no, sir, I already have remembered the formula. तो उनके लिए क्या sir? Sir, I need this. So this will be, sir, cross, sir, total 13 into cross of this, that is 11.7, sir, divided by 11.7 plus 7.8, 11 and 7, 18, and this is sir 1.5. So 19.5. हटा दो सर, कैलकुलेट कर लो. 13 से जाएगा क्या? 13 15 सर, दिस हाँ जाएगा सर. And this is 9, meaning sir 3, sorry, 3 5s are this, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9 and 27. एक सेकेंड, हमने कुछ गलत किया क्या? हमने कुछ गलत कर दिया। ये तो 7.8 आ रहा है सर। जस्ट अ सेकेंड, जस्ट अ सेकेंड, क्योंकि हमें जस्ट अ सेकेंड, देन हमने लास्ट में कुछ गलत कर दिया इधर। एक सेकेंड, एक सेकेंड सर। नहीं, ये तो सही है, इसमें गलत कर दिया क्या हम कुछ? हमने कुछ गलत कर दिया क्या? अगेन, नो नो नो, Rixi, I think we have made some error while making our own theory, क्योंकि ये ना मेरे को भी जितना लग रहा है कि ऑपोजिट नहीं होता है, सेम साइड होता है, like the, but again we mathematically we got this. AC, रुक जाओ एक सेकेंड, C by X is B by A minus X, right? अरे हम क्या पागल है, देखो, I have done correctly, but again I had made an error while telling this to you. You see, we have done it absolutely correct. But कहाँ से पता नहीं, I guess maybe I have written X here. That is where I made. मेरे को भी I'm thinking कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ है। अरे भाई एक second, just while you make this ना, just make sure of one thing. Just a second, everyone. My mistake. It's a my fault. Extremely sorry for that. Extremely sorry, everyone. I have made a little, like small little error. ये देखो हमने क्या किया, लिखा सही, बट इधर क्या क्या हो गया पता नहीं मेरे को। सर A is what सर? सर A is the total by, this is total B plus C, ये तो कॉमन है सर। Now this side, it is getting multiplied by the same thing, AC. So this will get multiplied if I take this x, ये इस तरफ का होगा, ये ऑपोजिट नहीं होगा ना। अरे यार, माय मिस्टेक, माय मिस्टेक। सो इट विल बी सर b, अच्छा, डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल इज b प्लस c सर, एंड b इनटू सर टोटल इज a। सो दिस विल बी दिस साइड। मैं उल्टा लिख दिया था, आई हैड मेड एन एरर। No, Rixi, that's the problem. I made a small little error. It is not opposite, it is same side, sir. It is same side. You see, that is what we have found as well. I don't know what, some blank moment maybe. Like I told कि opposite होगा. नहीं नहीं, extremely sorry, extremely sorry. Again, do not learn incorrectly. Again, I'm simplifying this for those who haven't understood. Please understand. Sir, you take x. चलो, let's take this one. इसी में हम समझा देते हैं. That's the mistake, sir. If I'm figuring out this x, I do not need to go in the opposite direction, everyone. I don't need to go in the opposite direction. I will simply say, sir, what? I will simply say, you take the same side, 7.8. So it is 7.8 into the total. Total is 13, sir. Divided by always these two sides. These two. 11.7 plus 7.8. हम कुछ उल्टा लिख दिए थे. So this is how you figure it out, sir. 7.8 into 13, sir. Divided by ये कितना आया था सर? 19.5 if I am correct. So 13 6 are this, 13 15 are this. Correct, sir? अच्छा, 3 5s are this, 3 2s are this. हाँ सर, अभी तो सही आएगा. 26 by 5, which is 5.2. Again, please make sure to check this mistake. Please make sure कि सर मिस्टेक दिमाग में नहीं बैठ जाना चाहिए. It's a mistake from my end. It's a very grave mistake from my end. Extremely sorry for this. ठीक है? Sir, again, just the thing, always go straight, not the cross. That's the thing. That's वही हमने mistake कर दिया. We had done this correctly, but उधर पता नहीं क्या हो गया. My mistake. ठीक है एवरीवन, एवरीबडी क्लियर सर? क्लियर एब्सोल्युटली। चलो लेट्स डू वन मोर क्वेश्चन और भी क्लियर हो जाएगा। अच्छा ये तो, अच्छा इसका दो ही क्वेश्चन मैंने उठाया था, है क्या? रुको एक सेकेंड। सो इंटरनल एंगल बाइसेक्टर्स का लाइक द ऑन दैट थ्योरम, द रेशियो थ्योरम, हमने एक ही दो ही क्वेश्चन उठाए थे। ठीक है, क्लियर क्लियर एवरीवन, राइट? एवरीबडी क्लियर? नाउ two more theories that you need to understand. Two more theories that we need to understand. So a circle like a triangle like this, let's say this is A, B, and C. Okay. Now, if you draw the angle bisectors of the base angles, this one and this one. So what I'm saying, these are angle bisectors. This is X. So this is X. This is Y. So this is Y. Both the angles are like they are bisectors. So the conclusion from here, if this angle is angle A, so this is O, let's say this angle BOC, can be written as 90 degree plus angle A divided by 2, sir. Now why is that? Let me just show you one proof. एक छोटा सा proof मैं दिखा देता हूँ, so minus का नहीं दिखाएंगे, ठीक है? So for the center thing वो हम जाएंगे, sir. Let's see, sir. Understand everybody please understand. From the bigger triangle ABC, just for understanding, देखो समझना बहुत जरूरी है ज्योमेट्री में. Sir, one angle is A, another angle is set 2x, another angle is set 2y, and if I add, I will get 180 degree. From there, 2x plus 2y, I will be getting 180 degree minus A. Can I take a 2 common from here? 2 into x plus y, that is equal to 180 degree minus A. 2 se divide, if I do x plus y becomes what, sir? This becomes 180 degree minus A total divided by 2, sir. This 2. Correct? Now, take this smaller triangle BOC, sir. Sir, can I say this angle BOC from here, it will be what, sir? This also three angles. Sum of all three angles of this triangle must be 180. So this upper angle, it will be what, sir? 180 degree minus these two angles. And this is x, this is y. So can I say minus x plus y? And x plus y is nothing but this. Put it down, sir. So 180 degree minus x plus y means 180 by 2, that is 90 degree, and minus minus plus a by 2, sir. Perfect? Perfect, because a divided by 2. Sir, 180 minus 90 gives you 90 degree and plus a by 2, sir. You see how this proof comes. So that is how this is called the angle at in center. This O point, this is actually, we write it as I. Why? Because where in a triangle, wherever all three angle bisectors meet, that point is called in center, sir. Perfect. So that this formula, like using this property, actually you can say SSC CGL has asked, in CHSL also, all the exams have asked countless questions. But again, there is one like place where you can get confused. That is called X center. So let me just discuss that together. Let me just discuss that together only. Sir, what is X center? Then we'll move into questions. Sir, X center is if you extend these two sides, any two sides actually, okay? Not like you only need to do this. Okay? Now, you see, this is, say for example, triangle ABC. So these are the external angles, sir. External angle bisectors, if you take, meaning, sir, if you draw a bisector from here, if you draw up a bisector from here like this, and let's say if you draw another bisector from here like this, okay? So wherever these two bisectors meet, let's say I'm naming that again O. This point is called X center. This point is called X center. That was in center, this is X center. And the property is saying, sir, if this is angle A, this angle BOC, this angle can be written as 90 degree and A by 2, just like that one. But again, instead of plus, it will now be minus. So ये दोनों, like please understand, the biggest problem, the biggest वो खिचड़ी जो पकता है ना सर, खिचड़ी पकता है इधर कि सर where to take minus and where to take plus. Sir, remember, I'm giving you one simple thing for this. If the angle is inside the triangle, inside, you always take plus. So I'm just writing it here. Sir, inside meaning ऐसे याद रखो, inside means in center and in center means plus, and outside means x center. So that gives you minus. याद रहेगा. Never get yes, never get confused here, क्योंकि ये दोनों से ही सेम अमाउंट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आते. दे आस्क यू सेम अमाउंट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम बोथ ऑफ दिस. एक्सक्यूज मी. Clear, sir? Clear, sir? Let's do a couple of questions. देखो और भी क्लियर हो जाएगा सर. CGL 18. The sides AB and AC of AB triangle ABC extended to P and Q. बढ़िया सर. एक सेंटर का क्वेश्चन है, दिख रहा है ना सबको? ठीक है. So they are saying they have been extended to P, and let's say this is Q point. If the bisectors of PBC, acha, ABC was this. So PBC means this angle, sir, and PCB, or sorry, QCB intersects at O. करा दो intersection, sir. ठीक है. Sir, that is O, this point. Angle A is 92. What is BOC meaning, sir, this angle? You will say ये तो draw करने में ही जितना time लगता है. It is like drawing this takes more time than solving. And again, in this, once you have practiced 10, 15, 20 questions of this type, you don't need to draw like even. Just by looking at, just by reading the question, sir, ये पूछ रहा है. So it will be 90 degree minus A by 2. 90 degree minus A is 92. 92 degrees by 2. That means 46 degree, meaning, sir, it will be 44 degrees. 44 degrees. That's your answer. That is most definitely your answer. So Rikshi, Yogesh, you guys are absolutely correct. Reena, clear, sister? Rana, yes, brother, absolutely correct. Absolutely correct you are. So this is X center question outside of the triangle. Perfect. Now, sir, let's move into some inside wala question. Sir, इसमें भी जाएंगे. You see, what here, the very simple, minute changes will solve this question as well. But sir, it's a question from CGL 2022. Internal bisectors of B and C. चलो sir, बढ़िया. Internal bisectors लेते हैं. Internal bisectors of angle B and C, sir. अरे यार. Sir, this is A, B, and C. That's why I've taken these to be as the internal angle bisectors. Intersects at an angle. So I'm writing this is I. 105 degree. Sir, angle A का value पूछा है. I don't know this. Sir, can I say this 105 degree is 90 degree plus a by 2, sir? Because inside means plus. I told you inside, in center means inside means plus. So ये subtract होगा. So a will be equal to 30 degrees. A is 30 degree. Option number 4 is the correct answer. Perfect, everyone. So again, Rixi, Reena, everyone, correct, correct, correct. Very, very good. 30 degree. Yes, Rana also, you are correct, brother. Very, very good. ये देखो बहुत simple है. This is very, very simple. Just about understanding whether the angle is inside or outside. Now, if you have understood this, let's try this. Let us try this. What? Sir, let's try to solve this question without diagram. कोई time भी तो चाहिए sir. You see, na, this is a small little exercise I'm giving you guys. Don't draw, just visualize. Visualize, because at the end of the day, geometry and 3D mensuration, even 2D mensuration as well, you need to be able to visualize. Just visualize this. Don't like draw. Do not draw, please. Try. देखो try करने में always it's okay. You make mistakes, I'm okay with that. No worries. Mistakes को लेके सोचो ही मत. Make as many mistakes as you want, but again, just try. वो daring करने का थोड़ा like हौसला होना चाहिए, right? Rixi has given answer, very good. So let's see, na sir. PBC QCB intersects at R, meaning that X center wala angle is given. Meaning, sir, you will see X center wala angle is 90 minus A by 2. That is given as 66. बाकी तो बच्चा भी बोल देगा सर. 24 2s are 48 degrees. खत्म. Is this clear? Everybody, is this clear, sir? Yes, Pavan, very, very good. Very, very good. Yes. Sheba, absolutely perfect, sister. Very, very good. You see, just try to think. सोचने का like वो सर होता है ना, we always say ना कि थोड़ा हमको वो हौसला चाहिए कि भाई चल ना आज कुछ डेयरिंग करते हैं, आज कुछ डेयरिंग. So again, you see, first few questions you will not have that confidence, but again with practice, when you see अच्छा I'm getting questions right ना, तो दो चार questions ऐसे ही 10 सेकंड में बन जाएगा. You see, if I get this question, it's a 10 second. I'll not draw, I'll not do anything. This is equal to 90 minus a by 2 because x center खत्म सर. परफेक्ट. चलो 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 चलो. तो ये भी तो हमने बना लिया सर. अगेन लेट्स नॉट ड्रॉ सर. अगेन 2022. बताओ बताओ सर, बताओ सर, बताओ सर. You see, in classes I'll give you the names, the exams वगैरह, but practice में हम like I don't do that intentionally actually. ठीक है, चलो चलो चलो. Tell me the answer. P is the in center of the triangle. बता ही दिया सर. In center meaning inside है. I'll not do anything. Triangle, the angle XYZ is this. What is the angle XPZ? Sir, XYZ is given. That means what? That means what, sir? That means this top angle is given. सोचो ऐसे, the triangle का ये वाला angle दिया है. This angle is given as 50. Sir, ये तो कोई भी बता देगा sir. So that means in center means it will be plus 50 by 2. So that means that 90 plus 25 is 115 degrees. Khatam. Option 2. Option 2, sir. Yes. Perfect. Reena, Yogesh, Rixi. Very, 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 very good. I need more answers. इतने सारे लोग हैं. बताओ. Answers बताओ. 3, 4, 5 answers. Why? Need more answers. Need more answers, sir. Clear? Everybody, sir, clear, I hope. I hope this is 100% clear to everyone. सबको ये बिल्कुल क्लियर हो रहा है सर. चलो, let's do couple more. Let us do ये question. This is a CPO 2023 में आया हुआ question. जल्दी से बताओ सर. आंसर. Need answers. Need answers to like from everyone. Need answers from everyone. बताओ बताओ सर। Answers. I got a couple of answers from Rixie, Reena. Very, very good. Very, very good. Chalo, chalo. Need more? Need more? Need more, sir? From YouTube, Rana, Shiba, anyone? Anyone? Sir, sir, angle BOC is given. Try to visualize, sir. Again, visualize करो, sir. I'm just drawing it by hand, ठीक है? थोड़ा समझाने के लिए. Sir, ABC. And sir, BOC means ऐसा. This angle is given. एक लाइन का क्वेश्चन है, sir. Meaning this is 125 degree given. This is equal to 90 degree plus. This is BAC means this angle na BAC. So this is angle A only. Sir, A will be, sir, 70 degree. You see, this is 35, 2s are 70. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Option number 3. Yes, Vivek, Yogesh, Pavan, very, very, very good. Shiva, very, very good. Very, very good. बनेगा ना questions? क्यों नहीं बनेगा? I'm saying this. You must get things right. You must get the questions right. And banega. Once you have understanding, you will not need this diagram. I can assure you guys. अच्छा, ये तो थोड़ा वो वाला हो गया. Sir, iska. This question, we need to understand the next topic, that is थोड़ा similarity चाहिए. ये question will start from the next day. This question we will be starting from next day. इधर से भी same कर लेंगे sir. ठीक है? So today's class I am ending here only in question number 11. Perfect. So this was your first class. I don't want to kind of burden you on the first day itself. थोड़ा धीरे धीरे. For the newer students, this is the first class, right, of geometry. तो धीरे धीरे हम चलेंगे. कोई like there is absolutely no need to panic, no need to like rush. Take things easy. Understand each and everything. If you are getting stuck in say like anything, any like question, अगर आप अटक जा रहे हो, ask. Feel free to ask, sir. Perfect. So again, that will then be all for the day. Yogesh, again, everyone, before you guys leave, just a one request that I have from you. For the YouTube audience, please feel free to rate the video, and you can share it if you want. And also for the paid students, please rate the class, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to share it like there as well. And I will again then see you guys tomorrow. 11 a.m. For the the morning session, the practice, and 3 p.m. for this. Also, one more thing, I take regular mock analysis sessions, the CGL mock analysis, on Mondays from 5 o'clock. And from Tuesday onwards, meaning from tomorrow onwards, I'll start a practice session live on YouTube as well. That will be completely free for everyone. I will urge everyone here to take the mock on weekends and watch the mock analysis on Mondays. Okay? So that's very, very important that you do right now just before the exam. Mock is something that you must take. Okay. So again, that will then be all for the day. Again, thank you so much, everyone. I will see you guys tomorrow. And if you join the YouTube session from 5 o'clock, then I'll see you guys there as well. So again, thank you so much. Take care, and definitely do rate the class before you guys leave. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye. Yes, mock analysis YT. Rixi, that will be on the English medium channel from 5 o'clock. 1 घंटे बाद. Thank you. Thank you so much, brother.